Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
Welcome to our presentation today. We are present our topic entitled Kejam. Before we begin, let me introduce our present. First presenter Sri Wahyuni, second presenter Nadia Savitri, third presenter Denis Kardia Agesti, fourth presenter Resa Amelia, fifth presenter Ayatullah. Without further ado, I would like to invite the first presenter to start the presentation. Senator Senator and STEM Dimas Dwi Permata, President Director. Sisi Deviska Via Agesti, Chef Operating Officer. Nadia Syafitri, Finance Manager. Sri Wahyuni, Marketing Manager. Resa Amelia, Corporate Secretary. M. Ayatullah, Field Coordinator. Muhammad Sultan Hermawan, Administration and General Affairs.
Why did we post this product? Because the jam conflicts chips product because of the high public interest in practical and deliciousness, as well as the great potential of us and affordable and easily available raw material. The snack market is still wide open for innovative products, so there is strong potential to combat additionally. This project support creativity and develops entrepreneurial skills towards the process of product design to market.
Next, quality ingredients. We only use wet, fresh, and high protein for the product. Crispy and delicious chips. Every kejam production process is carried out without preservative, focusing on natural ingredients to manufacture and ensure safety for health and food. One premium for each investment. Margarine, seasoning, concentrate, water, concentrate, cooking oil.
Our advantage, we are committed to providing high quality corn chips with hygienic and standardized production process. Here are some advantages that make our product different. Use this local corn without preservative, resulting in crispy chips that are safe to consume and rice and rich in natural flour. Each flour variant is made from special spice blends that combine typical Indonesian flour with a modern touch, delivering strong, savory, and humorous taste in every bite. Products and packaging they need to ensure chips you enjoy are always fresh, tasty, and maintain quality from production to your hand.
One grated corn, then corn and seasoning. To make the dough, mix the corn with flour, margarine, eggs, seasoning, and a little water until you form a thick dough. 3. Set the dog, the cat is cleanly according to the chief said. For fried fishes, get the oil, fry the dog until golden yellow and crispy. 5. Drain and pop, remove the chip, drain the oil, the fish, then put fried on. 6. Mix with pieces. Put the chip in a container and flour variant, which is balado, chocolate, and matcha. The same until every cooked. 7. Package the product, put them in a right packaging and label them. Corn chip flour variant. There is original, balado, chocolate, and then matcha.
Next.
Cost analysis. Cost analysis. Product cost table. In this table, we can list company of product cost needed to make our product. First, we needed 1 kilogram of corn with a total cost of 12,000 rupiah. Second, we need 1 liter of cooking oil with a total cost of 15,000 rupiah. Third, we need 3 packets of firework seasonings with a total cost of 18,000 rupiah. Next, we need 15 pieces of plastic packaging costing 3,000 rupiah. For gas, and electricity, the delivery cost is 10,000 rupiah. The cost need 1 kilogram of flour costing 14,000 rupiah and 1 liter of grocery costing 3,000 rupiah. For prayer and answer, we need 3 packets with a total cost of 1,500 rupiah. The cost of 5 kg flour is 1,500 rupiah. For laundry, we need to have a packet with a total cost of 7,000 rupiah. For 3 eggs, and cost is 6,000 rupiah. Lastly, we need 15 labels with a total cost of 9,000 rupiah. So, the total products cost is 102,000 rupiah.
That concludes our presentation about Kejang. We hope that the information we have shared today has helped you better understand its condition, including its causes, symptoms, treatment, and prevention. Thank you for your attention and for listening to our presentation. Now, we would like to open the discussion session. If you have any question, comment, or suggestion, please feel free to ask. Thank you for attention and participation. If you have